Hi, I am Dr. Shiven, and in this tutorial we will discuss about the terrains in Unity. So basically terrain is a game object which adds a large flat plane to your scene, and you can use the terrains inspector window to create a detailed landscape. So basically terrain game object is used in order to create uh, any desert or forest or any hilly area, any mountain area in our game. Okay, so we can, using the terrain inspector panels, we can customize our terrain, and we can create a very visually appealing landscape. So we will see in Unity how we can create the terrain. Before that, I will show you one example from a game, how terrains look like. So here we can see that there are various trees, grass, up and downs, hilly area, mountain, water, and we can navigate in terrain. Now in Unity we will see how we can create a game object which works as a terrain. So this is a very basic GUI of Unity. So we can create a game object, 3D game object, and here we can see that terrain is available. So if I will click it, so here we can see that one new terrain is created, and in our hierarchy we can see this game object. Okay, now if I am click on the terrain, we can see that in inspector panel we have various properties available in terrain. So by these properties we can customize our terrain. So first of all, we can see that this is a very we can see that this is a blank terrain. So before applying any tools on this terrain, so first of all we have to provide a material to this terrain. So material will be like, if I want to create some garden type of landscape or some forest area, so for that we have to provide some grass type of texture to the terrain. Otherwise, if I want to create some hilly area or some desert type of environment, so we have to apply uh, texture according to that scene. So suppose I want to create some like forest type of area. So for that, first of all, we will go to the setting, and here we can see that material is written. So in material we will go, and we will click on custom. So in custom we can see that none material is assigned. So I will click on materials. Actually I have already downloaded grass type of texture, so just I will drag it on the material. Okay, so now we can see that grass type of material is applied in our terrain. Now we will see all tools one by one. First of all, I will click on brush. Here we can see that it's written that raise or lower the terrain. So left click, we have to use left click to raise, and hold shift and left click to lower. So for example, I am taking this one. So here we can see that we can increase or decrease the brush size. Suppose I am decreasing the brush size, so here you can see that how smoothly we can create like hills, and we can choose another brush type. Okay, there are various other options. Okay, now if you want to lower it down, so just hold the shift button and you can decrease it. Okay, now we can click on other brush type. So I hope that now you're getting how we can create up and downs in our terrain. So the next tool is pen trees. Here we can, if you want to create some forest type of structure, we can use this options. So here we can see that we have option to edit trees. If we'll click on it, here we can see that add tree is written. So now there is no tree prefab is assigned. So for that you can download a tree prefab from asset store, and I have already downloaded this tree prefab from standard assets. Here we can see that in environment, speed tree, broadleaf tree is already downloaded by me, and here if I will drag it, okay, now you can add it from here. So what will happen, you can increase or decrease the tree density. Suppose I am taking it 17. So here you can see that whenever I am clicking on the terrain, based on the duration of our click, tree will be placed. Okay, we can also increase the density. uh, we can also take a different type of tree. Like now I am taking the palm tree. So now we can see that how beautifully it is looking whenever I'll see in game mode. So right now we don't have option to navigate in this terrain. We will see in next videos how we can navigate this terrain. Now I hope that you can create your own terrain according to your desired landscape view. Like if you want to create forest or desert or hilly area, mountain area, you can create your own terrain. But you have another option to download it from the asset store. There are various terrains are available in asset store freely. You can use it in your game. Okay, now I hope that you all have understood how we can create the terrain in our game, and in next video we will see how we can navigate in the terrain. And if you have any doubt, you can comment me. Thank you.